beautiful. You were just born that way, and it makes you
10 out of 10.
Hey, Kiko.
Huh?
I'm gonna be heading out. My glasses should be on your table.
Sad or angry in like a different language.
Yeah, but
My legs are broken.
I think. No, it's fine.
I think your legs are fine.
guys,
You
I wish I
are
could jump.
say hi.
unnaturally
I'm filming
quiet.
for a
Hang on.
memory album.
I put you on 300.
Hi.
Hi.
You're fine. Anyway, yeah, I just prefer nicknaming you three instead of full names.
Oh, she's so
It's
jumpy.
better.
Oh, there. Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Now I realize the severity of your broken leg.
That's crazy.
Oh.
Yeah, my legs are broken.
It's actually quite a...
How did that happen? You
I'll fix
see
them.
me up in the sky? Here, try this.
That is orange. It's yellow. It is mostly orange. I'm leaving it. Okay. Yeah.
There's that person. I've never met them before, but they're filming. I mean, they're fishing. There's Jade and Raya playing Connect 4.
Come here.
I don't want to.
Oh.
Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, you make me sad.
Are you gonna fishing rod me or do you want me to come down there? Oh, okay. Is this funny to you, Lorelai?
No, I'm just filming for my memory album.
Huh?
Say
You're
hi.
very sweet. Hi. Hello, everyone. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, XX Maple Awesome XX. Okay. Ouch. Oh.
Wow.
I don't deserve this.
Yeah. It didn't hurt
Carmen,
that
did you
much.
see that?
Who shot you?
I think it was Joy. He's really mean to me all the time. You should stay away from that guy.
Ooh. Belladonna could do that.
Belladonna got talked into drinking it.
Jade, smile for the camera.
Oh, there they are.
Well, there we go. Apple. There we go.
Thank you.
What was that?
Hello, Lorelai, and your
You can go first.
This is gonna be a very long album.
Very long recording.
I photobombing.
Are you-
Yeah,
I will
photobomb a
photobomb.
recording.
I mean, yeah, it's a recording.
It's a recording?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm recording.
You're walking. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's
With
just left face. This point. I help the men not be stupid.
Wait, hold on. Can I shake your hand?
A flower jacket. It's called a Hawaiian shirt.
I consider this a crisis. This is a
Jesus.
crisis.
What are you gonna do about it? Billy a ton. Ouchie.
That's just the
I should be the fashion police.
I'm just a boy.
Lorelai,
I'm just
yeah,
a
because
boy.
you have that like fashion magazine, right?
Oh
You
yeah.
have socks and sandals on. What do you think about that?
Oh.
Get that in 4K, Lorelai.
Okay,
Oh,
all in agreement.
exactly.
Okay.
Don't stare too long
This is-
though at
this
him.
is why. This is
Maple.
why.
Hi.
Don't make me
Why?
rethink interviewing you
What
about
you
the
doing?
fashion magazine.
You're going to fashion hell.
Where
Ansel.
Somebody have water?
Where did
I
the
got it.
Oh my god.
Hi, Ansel.
What's up?
It's right here.
What's up, pretty girl?
Okay.
I'm filming
Oh my God.
for a memory album. Can you say hi?
Hi. Hi. Hi.
I mean, no one's running the bar.
No idea what's back there, but what's up? You said you wanted to talk to me about something? Apologies, I was working on our sales.
I'm filming for a photo album.
Anyways, you can date a woman, you can date a man, you can date a non-binary, don't exist. You can be a woman and not give birth to a child. Oh my god, shocker.
Ask and discover his sexual